Hi everyone! Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. I'm Christine, your Cebuana licensed real estate broker. And today, we are here in this beautiful neighborhood in Talisay City, Cebu. And right behind me is the beautiful two-story house, actually a Mediterranean type house with a beautiful garden at the back of this property. So this is inside a gated subdivision with a 24-hour security. And just after this block is the clubhouse, which is near the beach side, which we will be showing to you later on. So the clubhouse has a pool, a recreation center, a park, which is just near the beach. So it's very awesome and lovely if you're gonna spend your weekends with your family and bond together with them in that clubhouse. So guys, come and join me as I'm going to show and tour you this beautiful two-story Mediterranean house. This house has a land area of 375 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters. And right to this main entrance is the carport. But guys, since this is already near the dead end, we can actually utilize some space here for your another car park. Okay, so this can be yours for only 13,500,000 pesos. So guys, if you want to, to book a site tour with us, please do the drill. Like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get more notifications from us. And you may share this video to your friends and family who are looking for a property here in Cebu. So we will be very willing to cater you. So this is the main entrance which leads to the main house. As you can notice, it's very breezy here because we are facing east. So if it's east facing, it's airy, guys. So on my left here we have the front yard, and this goes straight to the back portion of this house. It's very beautiful if you are a plant lover because we have a hidden garden at the back, which we'll be showing to you later on. So first, tara. So right now we are here in the main entrance, and right to the main entrance we have the living area, which is already fully air conditioned because we have the split type inverter air conditioner. And then this house is good for the growing family. If you have 2 or more, like 3 kids with you, then this house is perfect for you. So we have here on the left is the powder room, which is intended for the guests who are coming into your house. And then right after the powder room, we have a small stock room just below the stairs. And then we have the master bedroom, which I'm going to show you later, here in the ground floor. The master bedroom has its own toilet and bath. So right behind me is the dining area. Please do appreciate this beautiful chandelier, which accentuates the aura of this house. It's very nice, it's unique, I can say. And then at the moment we are using a round table dining table, which if this is not your preference, you can change this. So right after this dining area, we have here what I say a meditation area, which you and your kids would probably love if you want to spend your morning prayer here with your family. So guys, at this time of the day, the sun sets in this portion. So we can feel negative ions here because we are surrounded by plants, trees, and I'm going to show you the beautiful farm just after this property. But of course, it's not ours. So after the dining area, we have our kitchen. This is the main kitchen, And we have a breakfast nook, which if you're in a hurry, you can use this space. So forgive us if we just put the fridge, which is not for here. This is a portion intended for the cooktop, but right now, since nobody's using the house, but put the fridge here. But anyway, we have here a range hood and a granite countertop for our beautiful kitchen. So we are using a wooden type cabinet. So guys, as you may notice that we have here a door which leads to the back portion of this house, which we are going to show you later that the maid's quarter is not a part of the main house. It's side and ancillary house, so that if you are not here inside the house, the property is secured, and especially at nighttime, if you want security, if you don't want your maid to go inside the house, you can lock the whole house, and not having anyone intruding the property. That's for security purposes. Now let's head. I'm sorry, I forgot. We will check first the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is the ground floor. For people who love to have the master bedroom here, then this is the perfect house for you. This is the master bedroom, which can fit a king-size bed. And right after this bedroom, we have here the suite, toilet, and bathroom. And we have here the cabinet, the closet, and the toilet and the bathroom is glass enclosed, and it already has a hot and cold shower. So, for those people na gusto ng room sa baba, then this house is perfect for you. So guys, now we are heading to the second floor for another 2 more bedrooms. So right now, I'm already in the second floor. And as you can notice, that we have here a spacious area, which is intended for a family room. They're putting some dining table here and a sofa, because if the family have a vacation, spends their vacation here in the Philippines, then they can use the space as a dining area. Anyway, we have here an additional bedroom, 2 bedrooms. First, I'm gonna show you bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 1, which can fit at least a double-sized bed. But at the moment, they're using a single-sized bed, and it's already air-conditioned. And it has a window, which allows us to see some of the neighbors here. And then let's go straight to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2, this can fit at least a 2 or a queen size bed. At the moment, they're using 2 single-size beds. And the window here allows you to see the garden at the back and the beautiful farm just outside this house. And then we have here another view deck, or what I call this a covered deck, which this area is super perfect if you want a province type house or subdivision, but actually it's inside the city. And this is a beautiful property because we are pretty close to South Road Properties. And mind you guys, we have 3 big developments in this area, especially the CC-Lex or Cebu Cordova 3rd Bridge. And then we have the Isla de la Victoria and the arena, which can host at least 16,000 seater. So this is the shared toilet and bathroom for this floor. It's also glass enclosed and also has a hot and cold shower. So now let's go outside. I'm excited to show you around the garden area. Right now I am here in garden area. And for those mommies out there or titas out there who love plants, then this is the perfect spot for you. Then we have here the small islet filled with plants of your type. And then here we have the ancillary house, which is just for the maid's quarter. And the maid's quarter has its own kitchen, or what we call the auxiliary kitchen. So dili na ta magprito-prito, guys, especially if you have if you love bulad or stinky fish, then you can actually do this here outside para dili manimaho atong sulod sa balay. So the maid's quarter has its own toilet and bath. It's not really dirty, but it's not clean, so forgive us. Anyway, right after the toilet and bath is the maid's quarter, which can fit a 2 double-deck single-size bed. So at the moment, they're using it as a stock room. So guys, there you go. To recap about this property, we have here the land area of 375 square meters and a floor area of 300 square meters. This beautiful Mediterranean house is a 2-story house with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, 1 carport, and a spacious garden outside the house. And an ancillary house which is intended for the maid's quarter, which the maid's quarter has its own kitchen and own toilet and bath. So whenever the owners are away from this house, don't worry about the maids, because they can actually utilize the space while giving you the privacy of your own house. So there you go. Please do contact us at cebuelegantproperties@gmail.com, or you may WhatsApp or Viber us or call us at 0917-7999-429. And once again, I'm Christine Emily Pantaleon, your Cebuana licensed real estate broker. Thank you and God bless.